Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip distance apart. Place your hands behind your head with your elbows resting on the floor or pointed toward the ceiling. A towel should be rolled and placed at armpit level. Press your feet down into the ground and roll your pelvis up on the floor to flatten your lower back as you look down toward your knees and lengthen your neck. Let go of your abdominal muscles and keep your pelvis in this position using just your legs. Release everything and repeat. Roll your pelvis up, flatten your lower back, look at your knees and lengthen your spine from the base of your skull to your tail. Don't forget to let go of your abdominal muscles. Now, bring your arms up, interlacing your fingers. Press your feet down into the floor. Roll your pelvis up, bring your arms over your head, look at your knees and lengthen your spine. Hold this position as you let go of your abs. Raise your arms back, up, release your pelvis and your neck. Repeat it again. Roll your pelvis up, go overhead with your arms, look at your knees, lengthen the spine, hold this position, bring your arms up, release your tail, and release your neck.